4 powerful tips para makapagpa-join ka ng prospect mo kahit na wala ka pang result. Hello guys, again, this is Coach Jobs. Kung hindi ka ba nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel natin, mag-subscribe ka na. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi mo notify every time meron tayong mga videos na upload. 4 tips, 4 powerful tips na pwede mong gamitin para mapa-join ang prospect mo kahit na wala ka pang resulta. Guys, probably marami tayong encounter partners na, mga prospect natin, and lagi tayong tinatanong, nag-join ka na sa ganyan business, kaka-join mo pa lang, ang tanong agad, may resulta ka na ba? Kumita ka na ba? Milyonaryo ka na ba dyan? May kotse ka na ba dyan? Diba? Maganda na ba buhay mo dyan? Guys, alam nyo, maraming tao yung ganon. Maraming prospect, marami tayong mga friends, di ba, na ino-OPP natin or pinipresenta natin. And those are the feedback. Alam nyo guys, kung baguhan ka, kung medyo hindi ka pasanay sa ganitong industriya, medyo mahirap sagutin, di ba? So, ang iba nagkakameron ng misinterpretation or yung iba, pabigla-bigla na lang nakakasagot, nagsisinungaling na lang, di ba? Oo, mayaman na ako, di ba? Oo, may pera na ako kahit wala pa naman. Guys, don't ever do that. Okay? So guys, itong bibigay sa yung tip, very powerful to. Sobrang powerful yung tip na to. And makakatulong to para mapa-join yung prospect mo kahit na wala ka pang resulta. Number 1 tip, okay? Kapag sinabi sa'yo ng prospect mo na kung may resulta ka na ba dyan, kung kumita ka na ba dyan at kakasimula mo lang. Number 1 tip, you have to strengthen your belief. Kailangan malalim yung paniniwala mo. Saan? Yung paniniwala mo sa company. Alright? Well, if you have the stable company, kung alam mo sarili mo, at nagkameron ka ng research bago ka nag-join sa MLM company na sinalihan mo, alright? You have to strengthen the belief in the company. Kung alam mo kung gaano ka-stable, i-share mo sa kanya kung gaano ka-stable yung company, kung gaano kaganda yung company, kung gaano ka-tagal yung experience ng owners na nagpapatakbo ng kumpanya. Kasi guys, the moment na ikaw mismo, alright, hindi matibay ang paniniwala mo sa kumpanya mo, ramdam ng prospect mo na, hindi ka confident. Alright? Kaya, number 1, you have to strengthen your belief in the company. Siyempre, sa produkto na sinishare mo. Alright? Kasi hindi po tayo pera-pera lang sa network marketing or sa MLM. We have to give customer value when it comes to products. Kahit gaano kaganda yung marketing plan, alright? I-share mo kung gaano kaganda yung products. Kasi minsan, yung tao naman hindi agad nagiging leader or yung prospect mo or downline mo, hindi naman agad dyan naging leader because of marketing plan, because of kitaan. Yung iba, majority, yung mga nagiging, super powerful leader, ito yung mga tao na nag-join because of the product dahil maganda yung produkto. Alright? And of course, you have to strengthen your belief when it comes to the marketing plan itself. Kasi guys, the moment na solid yung paniniwala mo sa kumpanyang dala-dala mo, ramdam ng prospect mo, it will vibrate, di ba? It will, mararamdaman niya yung excitement mo sa kumpanya na sinalihan mo. Kaya kahit wala ka pang resulta, it is a plus, meaning it is additional, pogi points, di ba? Additional convincing power sa prospect mo kahit wala ka pang resulta. That's number 1. Pangalawa, kung wala ka pang resulta, you have to use the result of your upline or yung upper lines. Kung yung direct upline mo wala pang resulta, it's okay. Hanap ka ng upline mo, hanap ka ng upper lines mo, hanap ka ng team leader, hanap ka ng, even may-ari o kung sino man. Resulta nila muna ang gagamitin mo. Pero don't ever tell na sa iyo yun, syempre, it's, kasinungalingan yon. So, paano mo siya gagamitin? You can explain to them na you're just starting, pero yung mga nauna sa'yo, yung mga uplines mo, yung mga, mga early leaders na ginawa tong business, ginawa tong, winner coach yung company, very, very successful, and doon ako pupunta, di ba? So, you have to be honest, you have to be sincere na, you're inspired with them. Kung sila nga nagawa nila, why not tayo, why not ako, why not ikaw, di ba? Use the result of your upline. Don't pretend, di ba? Don't, wag kang manloloko, wag kang maging sinungaling. But then, use the right script, use the right words. You have to know the proper words to tell to your prospect. Okay? Para sila ma-inspire sa result ng upline mo, di ba? And the moment na maparamdam mo sa prospect mo yan, that's it. They're gonna join you. That's number 2. Number 3, na tip ko sa'yo para mapajoin mo yung prospect mo kahit wala ka pang result. Alright? You have to share your vision. Di ba? What is a vision? Vision, it is somewhat like, ito yung nakikita mong magiging ikaw 2 years from now sa MLM company na sinalihan mo. Ito yung nakikita mo magiging ikaw 5 years from now sa MLM company na sinalihan mo. 10 years from now. What is your vision? You have to preserve your vision. You have to analyze. Diba? You have to imagine. You have to visualize. Ano ba magiging ikaw? You could tell them, ang vision ko 5 years from now, I'll be gonna build like 20 global ambassadors, di ba? I'm gonna build, 50 car achievers, and who knows, baka isa ka sa mga mabuild ko na leader na magkakaresulta. Di ba? So you have to share your vision na ito. Bakit maghahalaga share mo yung vision mo na ang tingin mo sa kumpanyang ito, sa ginagawa mong negosyo, hindi ito short term, it is a long term. Because vision is a long term. It's a long term goal. It's a long term, anticipation of who you will become in the future. So you have to think as if this business will gonna be long term, 10, 20, 30 years, and even forever. Diba? So guys, you have to share your vision. And it will manifest. It will be felt by your prospect na, ito palang kasalihan ko na to. Hindi maliit yung tingin. Hindi ito yung tipo na fly-by-night company lang. Ito yung tipong tasalihan ko, ikaw, di ba? Kapag naramdaman ng prospect mo, when you share your vision to him, your vision to her, di ba? Na maging part siya ng vision mo, ng project mo, ng program mo. Di ba? Pang-apat na tip, alright? Para mapajoin mo yung prospect mo kahit wala ka pang resulta, you have to sell yourself. It's very, very important. Kailangan, you have to sell the trustworthiness. You have to be honest. Friend, I just started in this business. Actually, wala pa akong result, but then I'm working it out. Nasa learning process ako. Diba? And right now, I'm on track with my goal. I've started just 1 month ago. Pero ngayon, sobrang dami ko ng knowledge. In fact, may mga napajoin na ako na ilan. Hindi pa man madami, but then it will be going there. And ang vision ko, guys, vision ko, friend, is to build a huge empire in our place, particularly building, huge empires international kasi I'm doing online. And friend, I want you to be part of this vision. I want you to be part of our success. You have to sell yourself. Dapat maging sincere ka sa kausap mo. Ano yung sincerity? Yung pagtulong. Ikaw ba yung tipo na pag sinalihan ka nila, sumali sila sa'yo? Ikaw ba yung tipo na hindi ka seryoso sa negosyo? The moment you have sold yourself to your prospect and they felt na sincere ka, they felt yung trustworthiness, yung pagiging supportive mo, diba? And guys, I'm telling you, the moment na maramdaman nila yung sincerity mo, your heart, diba? Naramdaman nila yung care mo sa kanila. Sabi nga, people don't care how much you know until they feel how much you care. So you have to show them some care. Show them your support. Show them your plans. Show them your vision. Sell who you are. And guys, the moment na maramdaman ng prospect mo yan, I'm telling you, kahit wala ka pang resulta, they're gonna join you. They're gonna sign up on you. They're gonna pay 1, 3, even 7 heads, and even 15 accounts under your team. Alright? Again, guys, for more videos, don't forget to subscribe sa YouTube channel natin. And of course, don't forget to like our Facebook page. Alright? I'll be posting up dito sa comment section natin sa details. Alright? I-click mo yung see first. Okay? Para lagi kang ma-notify na una kapag meron tayong mga videos in-upload. And of course, don't forget to share this video sa mga friends, sa mga downlines ng prospects mo. Don't forget to subscribe. And guys, kung meron kang katanungan sa MLM business mo, don't hesitate na mag-comment para sagutin natin yan sa next video natin. Again, guys, this is Coach Japs. God bless and more power.